Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by today. I'm showing you how I made this almond milk at home. It's homemade almond milk day, guys. Thank you for being here. So of course you're going to need almonds. It's almond milk, and I'm making this because it's a great alternative to regular dairy milk. It is rich in vitamin E, helps you fight all of those diseases that you don't want. It's very rich in calcium and very rich in vitamin D, so this gives you a good supply. And of course, for those that are lactose intolerant, this is not going to cause you problems, so you can use this instead of regular milk, and it's very easy to make, and I'm going to show you just how I did that. And because you're making it at home, you have a lot more control over what goes in there. And here I've just washed the almonds, and I'm putting in some dates and 3 cups of water and butter syrup, and I'm also adding avocado oil. That is super healthy as well. So this is a rich bowl of almond milk that I'm planning to make. So I've just thrown the almonds into the blender, and I've added 2.5 cups of water. That's all I used this time around. I wanted it to be like all rich and thick. And I've chopped the dates. I'm just going to throw those in there, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of syrup. Like that, I have a control over how sweet this is. This is definitely plant-based, so explore this. You have almonds at home, just take them out and make almond milk. Trust me, you're gonna like it. So for this, I'm just blending for 2 minutes. 1 minute stop, and then blend again for another 1 minute. And this is what your blended almonds should look like. And so now I'm just gonna set it aside and get myself a sieving cloth. If you have this, it's useful. You can also use a sieve that has like really tiny holes. You can do better with the cloth though. This was a poor choice. I got this from Amazon. I'm definitely going to get something else, because at some point it was kind of leaking in there. But I mean, almonds are not harmful. I chew them anyways, so it wasn't too much of a problem for me. But I'm definitely going to be getting another cloth. So all I'm doing here is just sieving and getting out all of the milk from that, and I'm not doing anything else with the residue. I don't know what to call it, but I guess you can do other stuff with it, like maybe for baking and whatever. But I just threw mine out. All I wanted from this was the almond milk. And yeah, this almond milk is also good if you're like making banana bread and you want to switch out the regular milk. If you still want some milk in it but you don't want regular milk, try almond milk. It works like magic, right? So I'm just taking out the almond milk, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna put it in a cup, and that's all there is to it, right? So make almond milk. Tell me what you switched out or what you added. Let's have fun with this. And thank you for being here. Make sure before you leave, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys again next week. Again, lactose intolerant folks, lactose intolerant friends, stop taking regular milk. This is lactose free. Use almond milk. See you next week. Bye.